about 198 subscribers here with the Freebird Racing YouTube channel. I'm going to show you a little bit of an update of how our program's going. This is our new to us trailer that we're going to be running this weekend, taking it down to John Dock's race at Wayne County Dragway. So they're going to be running 26-inch class tomorrow, which is Friday, and then the 28-inch small tire class on Saturday. We're hoping to hop in both of those, running the Freebird, the 1967 Firebird we run. So heading back here into the shop, give you a little bit of an update on some of our new equipment and products that we've been working on. Right here is our new Haas CNC lathe, well, new to us. We're going to be using that hopefully to work on some of our VK56 transmission adapter pieces. Speaking of, take you over here and show you one of our kits that we've gotten put together. So here we are with our GM transmission to VK56 adapter. You can see here, factory, the VK56, the torque converter is bolted to a piece of about 90 thou steel. We've gone ahead and stepped that up to 3/16, so it's about 187,000, almost double the thickness. You can see we just got our hub back from heat treating. That's gonna bolt directly behind the original starter ring, and then our new flex plate's gonna go right on there for your torque converter to bolt on. This allows you to run larger fasteners. Another benefit to this kit is the spacing from the starter ring to the flex plate. This allows you to get a properly sized fastener in from the front for those torque converters that are threaded, where you aren't able to run a through bolt. Here's our bell housing adapter here. You can see the Nissan pattern here in the counterbore holes. And then these threaded holes here are your Chevrolet pattern, allow you to put an Ultra Bell or something similar onto the VK56. Jumping over here to the engine stands, you can see we're working on a crank and cam trigger kit. We are still in development. This will end up as a 60-2 or 58X wheel. As of right now, we still have all 60 teeth on here. We've not decided quite where we're going to be mounting the crank sensor yet. So that is to be determined. And once we decide that, we'll know exactly which teeth to cut off here. We still need to get the hub on the inside of the balancer developed and the mount for the crank sensor. This 1X cam sensor or cam trigger that we have here on the end of the intake cam is compatible with all existing covers and will be compatible with the covers that we come out with. Here you can see we have a few different VKs in the collection. This one's heading to the machine shop. This one here came in with a blown head gasket. We got it for 300 bucks. This one has some type of issue behind the front cover. We got it for $600. If you're not planning to already, you really ought to come out to Wayne County Dragway this weekend for the Heartbreaker No Prep John Dock's first event with the new track. And please like, share, subscribe. Give us a call, 336-946-9007 if you have any inquiries on the parts that we've showed you today or need anything from Holley, MSD, Summit, Jegs, we can get it.
I ain't even gonna make a test bed right off the trailer, right in your ass.